Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. As promised, I am back with another video, and this week we're going to be talking about the Alice shirt by Seamwork, which is the centerpiece of my fall fashion mood board, building blocks back to basics. I have my notes and the pattern description in my own words. It is a sweatshirt with the option to be made as a t-shirt, so with short sleeve or with long sleeves, and it can be worn in either a casual setting or a more business setting, and it's definitely a layering piece, and that is what we need in this fall and winter and so forth. So we have 4 pattern pieces. That is the front, the back, the collar, and the sleeves. Now this time I opted to print it at home and didn't print it at the print shop. The sizing ranged from size 0 up to 26 because we do know that Seamwork is very inclusive, and I made size 2. Steps to success. It takes you 15 steps to success. The fabric choice that I made this time around is a Jaguar jersey. I'm having some problem with my glasses. It seems to be falling off my face every time. So the amount of fabric required is 1.3 meters, but I only bought 1. And the sewing instructions, I don't have any issues with the sewing instructions. You know, you guys know I'm sold. The only issue that I had, so I had one issue, and that is I didn't measure myself before I made this sweatshirt. I figured, oh, I could get away with size 0. No, I can't. It was my mistake, definitely. So when I went to make, I knew that I just needed a little more room right on the sleeves and also right here around the bust area. Now I don't have much to work with, but right here it was making like these, like, you know, when it's too tight, and it wasn't looking right. I'm telling you, it wasn't looking right. I opted to make it again, and then I just went 1 size up. Yes. This is again my favorite part, you guys. I am just in love with this color combination, with the fit, and this is it. I did style it with this skirt right here, and this one is from Knip Mode that I made 2 years ago. It is a suede, it is non-stretchy. I decided to style it with these shoes right here. Whoa. And these are from Graceland in any case, but those are green too. Some black tights because it is getting colder. So this sweatshirt is an item that is easy to make, definitely easy to follow, easily styled, just easy. Can't tell you much more about it. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Have a great day. Bye.